Hey guys, Marion the Barbarian here. We are bringing you a shave of the day. So, little fuzz from the blanket on my head because I do need a head shave. It's been 2 days. Should be doing one today, but it's probably not going to happen. This is a late video. Spent the day with the kids. Came home, finally got a good nap in, like a good amount of sleep in, so it felt good. Excuse me, had a little bit of a burp. As you can see from the thumbnail, we are using one of my favorites first. You know, I could pick it up at my barbershop. Is it Scouts? Just doesn't seem right to say Scouts, but I think it's Scouts. I haven't been in a while. So anyways, pandemic and everything just didn't happen. But Suavecito trademark premium blends whiskey bar. So guys, I think it's like lavender and whiskey and like some other awesome notes that I just do not have on here. So I can't tell you. It smells like John Wayne to me. It smells like a man, in my opinion. Other people say differently. I believe this is a glycerin. Yeah. Water, stearic acid, myristic acid, coconut acid, potassium hydroxide, glycerin, sodium hydroxide, cetyl alcohol. It's not like all the great super ingredients, but it's pretty inexpensive, and I do enjoy the scent. They make pomades and things for your hair like I need right now. So we're also going to be using my PAA L1 Schick Injector Clone. Again, here, let me show you. I do not know the brand of these blades. I bought this used, came with these blades. I don't even know how many I have left. Looks like at least 2. So anyways, that's what we're going to be using today. Got it blooming, and I'm going to lather it up off camera, but I'm dropping the water out. Main reason I'm doing it like this and then showing off camera is I've been soaking it. We are going to use the 311 knot. Not great for face lathering, I have found out recently. It just knots it up and it's really hard to get all the knots out, but it's a gel tip horsehair. So I'm going to pause. We're going to come back and we're going to see what kind of lather this is. We are back. I'm going to cut it off a little because I'm going to try to put a little bloop coming into the lather. So guys, it turned out rather nice in my opinion. It's an awesome scent. It's not like a huge lather I built up, but we built up a good one. Didn't want to break it. Haven't built a lather with this in a while, so we'll see if it needs some more hydration during the shave. We're going to wet the face. You know what I should have done off camera? We're going to let the water run for a minute, guys, because I'm going to fill up the sink. That's the way we're going to go. So I do apologize for that. So, giving this a go. The tips are a lot softer than you would, even painting on. And by the way, haven't shaved since my last video, which is uncommon for me. Decent amount of growth. Using the injector. Let's see how it goes. Alright, and we're just wiping it on. Painting it on. See how it goes. And injector. Make sure I can do a little rinse. Have to do a little bit of buffing. Because the first pass, it's knocking it down, guys. It's a lot of hair. So Thursday, my last shave. So that's what, today's Sunday, 3 days? 4 days if my last shave was Wednesday. Really can't remember, guys. Days are blending together. Y'all had those days? Sorry, I just kind of want to get the lines for the second go around. There we go. We'll say that's good enough, right? A slight water addition to the hands. Slickness is good, guys. It's a glycerin soap for crying out loud. So, glycerin, you're always going to get good slickness. We may go the 3 passes today, guys. Don't know how long this video will turn out. Get it in the goat. Give it a good washing. Yeah. I love this scent, guys. Always do. X was not big on it. Consensus was this is a old man scent. I don't think so. I think it's sexy AF, guys. So. There you go. Look at that. I went really light over that area too, guys. Must have been a bad angle. Yeah, I get hair like all the way up to here, guys. It's crazy. There we go. I think we're going to do it against the grain. There we go. We'll say that's good enough, right, guys? Yeah, it's good enough. All right. So what I was mentioning about this, I don't know if it was the gel or what. This is a really cheap handle. It's a Vie-long. And I sent one off to 2 other people. I don't know if they've gotten them yet. But one is another Vie-long I already have. And I quite like that horsehair. And so we'll see how that goes with him. But it's horsehair as well. It's been gel tipped and we'll see how he likes it. The other one is a Fenderham. So it's a totally different brand. So we'll kind of get an idea if the reason the hairs were breaking in this brush is if it was the gelling process or just a cheap ass freaking knot. And that's so that's the thoughts there. It is true. I would recommend horsehair, combing it out. After each shave, because they do want a knot. But if you ever notice, CDB tries to compensate for that with his lathering process in general. For every knot. Like, guys, I'm not going to go back and look at his video, but you can look for it. He has a lathering tutorial. And when CDB lathers, clockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise. That way he doesn't like cause all that twisting and everything the brushes get. Which is really a good idea because that's what I did with this time. I don't always go by it, but it seems to look okay. We're going to give it a rinse here in a second and see how it goes. But we're going to go off camera. We're going to rinse and we will be back. Alright guys, we are back. So, we're going to finish up with the splash. I don't think there's anything special in this. Let's look at it. Ingredients: alcohol, water, fragrance, menthol. Yeah, nothing special with this stuff. Nothing special with the soap. Nothing fancy. But we do like to apply liberally. At least I do. So it's not a strong menthol. I sent some to DK. He used it and he literally went, I didn't realize there was menthol at all, dude. Like I mentioned it after his video. So I'll let you know where the menthol is. But guys, they make a balm as well. I'll probably put that on afterwards. But it's really good stuff, scent-wise. Personal opinion, just really like it. So guys, I'm going to kind of send you through a tutorial. Normally I have a brush for this, but it's in a box somewhere. Take the wide end of the comb. You just slowly start from the outside. And you just kind of pull through gently, nothing rough. Like I said, I don't know if we messed it up with the gelling process or what went on, but I am breaking a lot of hairs. Like, see? And I'm just pulling gently, guys. So, I don't know. I mean, I'm really rough on some knots. I'm even rough on my other horsehair, and it doesn't react this way. So, like I said, I don't know if it was the gelling process that did this. Just a crappy knot. I don't know. But I do know someone that has a knot just like I have that has not been gelled, and his is gelled. So that'll be a good comparison in my opinion. But I just sit here and we rotate and you go more and more to the base of the knot and you just get as deep as you can and you slightly, no tugging. Doesn't have to be all tuggy. I'll never go to the thin end, but now look at it. Pretty much all done. I know there's no soap in it. I'm not going to dry the tips on a towel. I don't want to try to break them or anything because we are having issues. I'm just going to experiment with it, see how it goes, see if it's interesting. Because to me, to comb it out like that afterwards, it's not a huge deal. I know that's more maintenance than a lot of people want to put in a brush, but I don't mind my horsehairs. And if this wasn't shedding or breaking like it was, I'd be cool with it. I will admit, even painting on with a regular horsehair, you feel a little scritch, but guys, they're just another option. And don't we all like options in our den and like to get to use different products and different things, expensive, not expensive. And I really just wanted to see what this was like. And like I said, bought a couple other brushes. I think a couple other people are going to be getting them at some point. Be super wicked awesome to see how their experience goes. Gotta remember, we got trained the mustache. We're going like handlebar out, and then we're gonna just keep letting this grow. Like this is actually still going. We're just gonna see how long we can get these puppies. See if we can braid it one day. What do you guys think? Handlebar, braided. Should I bring it down and put like beads and braid it like this separately, or should I bring it in? And then, I don't know. We'll get some opinions below. Single, double braid, y'all let me know. But anyways, guys, until next time, I don't know when it's going to be. Life's been crazy, and I'm so sorry that I haven't been doing a lot of videos, haven't been communicating, haven't been watching a ton of videos either, guys. Haven't been as active as I should be, but I do greatly appreciate all you subscribers, everybody that views, watches till the very end, doing these in segments. So I don't even know how long this video is. We're probably reaching 20 minutes. But anyways, y'all have a good one. And again, thank you for watching.